Hi everyone, I'm Mansi from Hansi Creations and today we are doing a Shein haul. So let's just get started with the haul. Also, do you see how pretty is this bracelet? I love these beads that I had got from Amazon. Okay, so let's just get started with the haul. So, first thing first, I was super excited about this. I mean, I was excited about a lot of things, but I got these marble print beads and I believe these were, yeah, it says 8mm ones. So yeah, I got 2 pack, very colorful. The quality is also good. I had just opened them, so the voice is so satisfying, but yeah, it's pretty cool. So yep, that. Then let's match my bracelet. So I got a bunch of these charms. So these are the flower charm. Let me show a close-up. It looks something like that. It's not gonna focus, but yeah, it looks something like this. They are super cute. There were 20 in one order. I'll do a bits organization video for Reel YouTube short, so you guys can check that out as well. Next, let's just finish up with all the charms. So these are the seashell charm, but they are like pink in color, like light pink. These were also 20 in one order. And I have one more charm. These are starfish ones, so they are sky blue-ish. Let me show a close-up. So yeah, they look something like this. Very cute and very good quality also. Then we have some kind of like a cherry blossom flower. These are polymer clay and it looks something like this. I don't know if you guys can relate, but when I was in India, we have like eraser that smells really good and they look like bigger in size, of course, but they look like they have different kind of like not material designs. So they had flower ones also, and like this reminds me of those. Then we have few more seashells, like shells. These are beads actually, and they look something like this. I have one more. These are my most favorite. I love this color and it's very like, what do you call, like marbly and a little shiny also, and good quality. I'm really gonna be obsessed with this one. They only had one left, so they don't have these anymore. I was so thankful I could at least get one of these, but yeah, these are really nice. I love these. Color also so very like unique. It's like grayish blue, really good. And then last two more things. I know it was a short video. So I ended up getting flat beads, very colorful, like pastel-y. So these are lilac. This package came a little torn, but it's fine. So in one they have 10 strands, but I love this color. I've been obsessed with these pastel colors recently. And then I also got a pink one. So nice. So yeah, I think that's it. Let's see if I missed anything. No, that was it. These were all the things that I had got. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, And let me know if you guys want to see something. Any video ideas are welcomed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.